If you want to know how to use Presentations.AI, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, sign up with your account, use a LinkedIn, Google account, or manually with an email. And then what you're going to do, you can import a document, video, or link to convey your own basically presentation, or you can just start with the prompt, right? And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to create a new presentation, and then choose a template or theme. Let's say, for example, I want to move along and submit my my document, my background document, whatever it might be, right? And I'm gonna wait right here, and as you can see right here, I'm gonna wait for a few moments, and the AI will generate itself, and afterwards they will put everything automatically. And of course you can select or choose a theme or background, or basically a template. And basically I can select right here the brand, basically the color, right? And I can select the font from here. You can see the advanced settings if I wanted the slide content to be small, medium, or large, right? And then basically I can collaborate with other people, which is optional. Of course, you can invite team members to collaborate, and then I can go ahead right here and click create presentation. And basically I can see right now my presentation has come to a light, right? And I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, okay, until the AI generate the new basically the new presentation about leadership. And basically you can edit it, you can change the theme however you want. And basically, as you can see, now I can take that presentation and offer it, or basically show it to a student, or if I'm in business, I'm gonna show it to my customers or my employees. And I'm gonna be able to basically, if you want to start editing, you can go ahead and start editing the presentation right from here. And I can click to see, all right, my presentation from here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.